Are you a beginner at affiliate marketing and have no idea as to how to get started to make your first affiliate commission? Or maybe you have some affiliate marketing experience and have yet to reach your monthly goal. Maybe your goal is $5,000 a month, or maybe it's $10,000 a month, or maybe you simply just want to replace your income so you could quit your job. Unfortunately, most affiliate marketers never reach these goals. They don't even come close to reaching these goals. Why? Because they get lost in all of this information from these online gurus. They buy into courses and trainings that promise them big monetary returns with little to no work and no experience. But of course, the opposite ends up happening. You end up spending a lot of time, money, and effort with little to show for it. You end up being distracted with new offers, new courses, and new trainings. And of course, these courses never work as advertised, and you end up with no support from these gurus. This makes you lose focus and you end up wasting a whole lot of time. Imagine that you had your online business set up and running, and as a result you were making $10,000 a month in your affiliate marketing business. Now let me ask you a question. What would that do for you? Imagine that you had this all automated, so it was working on autopilot. How would that impact your life? What would that do for you? What would you do if you had no schedule and you were calling your own shots? How would that impact your family? And what would you do? Would you travel more? Would you upgrade your home? In my experience, high-ticket affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective online business models to set up, scale up, and quit your day job. Affiliate marketing is sort of like becoming your own freelance digital marketer. You simply promote other people's products and earn a percentage of the sales. It's great because you don't have to create any of your own products, you don't have to create any sales pages, and you don't have to do any customer support. All of that is already done for you. You're getting paid to bring in customers for that company. Therefore, it's a win-win situation. You win because you're able to promote people's products without having to go through the trouble of creating your own digital product. You're able to pick products that you believe in, that you know that help other people, and you could feel good about promoting and then make money from that. And then, of course, the company wins because they are able to get more customers without really having to do any additional work. You're really doing all of the legwork to bring that customer to them. And so when you bring in a new customer, you get paid and they get paid. So it's a win-win situation. And of course, if you're choosing products that are ethical and you feel really good about, then of course the customer wins as well. So everyone wins all around. What if I told you that you could tap into a new selling system that brought in $3,972.30 in a 48-hour period? And what if I told you that you could copy this proven and tested selling system for you to use as your own? Sounds too good to be true, right? How could this be possible? Here's the thing about affiliate marketing. When you bring in new customers and sales, this obviously helps the company. And that means that many of these product owners, they spend a lot of time and energy helping you be successful. That's why this selling system works so well. It's been tested, tweaked, and upgraded and verified, so it's very easy for newbies to set it up step by step, plug it in, and start generating sales for them. If you want to check out this selling system for yourself, then click the link in the description. This system is my #1 recommendation, because I am a super busy full-time nursing student in his 4th year. That means I don't have any time to work at a job. And just a few years ago, I was a super busy and broke nursing student, so I needed to find another way to make money. And one of the first things that I did is I went to a site called Warrior Plus, which had all of these courses and trainings on how to make money online. And I was hooked, but unfortunately, everything that I was trying, it just wasn't working, and I started to feel really desperate. and I started compulsively buying a bunch of courses on affiliate marketing and make money online, like I was some sort of course buying addict. Here you could see some of my impulse purchases at the time. Here you could see I spent $403.95 all in one day on my credit card. And as you could see here, just a couple of weeks before that, I spent $581.39 all in one day, desperate to figure it out. And the worst part about this is I probably didn't even use these products because I was on to the next shiny object. And over here, a bunch more purchases all in one day. See a pattern yet? Not only that, I was spending money on paid ads like Facebook ads, Google ads, solo ads, trying to figure all of this out, but I wasn't getting any results. I was spending a lot more than I was making back. And then one day, unfortunately, I looked at my bank account and realized that I maxed out my credit card, and I also maxed out my overdraft limit on my debit card. And actually, not only that, I didn't just max out my credit card, I went over my limit and had to pay a penalty fee out of money I didn't even have. So at that point, I had to give up for a period of time and work at school and then work at another extra job at a nursing home. But I felt like I was going crazy at that point. I gave up for a period of time and then I jumped back into it. And fast forward to today, I'm seeing different results than I did back then. Here you could see I made $2,594.59 all in 1 week. And I also made $544.95 in just a 24-hour period. And here I had a good day and I made $1,081.60 online in just a 24 hours with only 5 minutes of work. Now, I'm not promising you that you're going to make over $1,000 in your first 5 minutes in your online business. I'm just showing you what's possible, what could happen if you stay consistent, and over time you can build up enough momentum where all you have to do is spend a few minutes a day to maintain this system, and everything else is passive and automated. Now I don't have to worry about money because I have this system set up and running for me, and I could just maintain it here and there on my spare time. Alright, now I'm going to switch over the video to Mark Hayden and AJ Simon. These two are the ones that created this selling system, so they're just going to go over some more details so you can make an informed decision. Peace.
Hey guys, I thought I'd just record this short video. Just woke up now, it's 7:48, Thursday morning. Just made my coffee, about to have my coffee. And I thought I'd log into my Warrior Plus account and see how much money I've made overnight using our automated system that AJ and I have created. So we'll go to the dashboard. So today, you can see here, it was updated 6 minutes ago. So far we're at 564 for today. Yesterday, 1685. Last 7 days, 6,900. And so far this month, we're at over $11,000 in sales. As you can see, using our program, we're also paying out to affiliates as well every single day. So this is a great opportunity to get aboard and start using a system that actually creates wealth and is easy to use, and AJ and I help you set it all up. So yeah, I just thought I'd shoot this video so you can see proof of my account and how much we're making every day. Alright, talk to you soon.
Hey guys, AJ Simon here, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to shoot a quick video basically showing you how I've made $4,048.40 in the last 30 days promoting my own products on Warrior Plus, and really just to inspire you to take action with our funnel, because obviously our upsells are working. They're bringing in commissions every single day now, and the dollar trial funnel I have for Builderall affiliates is bringing in tons of sales for people in Builderall. In fact, if you look at James Glover, he is actually on the leaderboards right now, John Ainsworth is on the leaderboards. Mark Hayden's on the leaderboards. Pretty much anyone who's using our funnel and driving targeted traffic to the funnel is going to be making those dollar trials. Okay, so like, it's crazy. The way it works is they get in for $1 and then they see our upsells, they see the training that I offer. They also basically be able to get on a call with me so that I can close them into other products that we offer as well. So if you're in Builderall and you're looking for a funnel that actually works, something that's actually going to be making you money on the back end as well, then this is definitely something that you want to check out. It's, yeah, it's pretty cool. I put a lot of work into it. Mark Hayden and I have put a ton of work into it. That video sales letter that I did took me over a month to edit and create and actually get to convert the way it does. And the upsells and all those different offers that we put into place are converting really well, which just means more money for people who are trying to build their Builderall business. So it's pretty cool. And, that whole concept isn't new. The concept of upsells, it's not a new thing. If you look at Warrior Plus, the whole idea is to get people in what's called a tripwire offer, something between like $1 and $12.95 to start out, and then offer additional upgrades and things that will work along with the product that you're selling. So what we decided to do was, hey, why don't we try to get people in to Builderall for $1 using our sales video, but let's also optimize the back end of the funnel so that way we can start getting more money that we can just reinvest back into paid ads. And so that's what we've done with Funnily Enough 2.0. And if you want a copy of that, if you're already an Builderall affiliate, then you get a copy of that for free. No charge at all. The only thing you got to pay for is the upsells. Like if you want to promote the back end, that's a one-time $97 charge. And then after that, you get me closing sales for you. I get on the phone with these people and I show them how to set up their system. I show them which upgrades are going to be best for them and which ones they should buy. We also have the option to bundle the offer for $149 where you get 30 emails and you can become a super affiliate. And then there's the other offer, which is the coaching offer, $699 one-time payment, and that comes with weekly mentorship plus unlimited chat support that I handle from Inside Messenger, which if you have ever talked to me, you realize that I get back to you very fast. I've always gotten back to people with support and things like that. But yeah, really excited about building this out, really excited about showing people what we can do with this. So if you've seen this already, then you already know this video converts really well. And right now we're getting between 1 to 3 sales per 100 Google clicks going to this video. And it's amazing because what happens is now you're building up your residual income. So if you're with Builderall, you're building up your residual income and then you're building up your back end income, right? So like you're getting paid on those upsells. And then when I get them on the phone and I teach them how to set up the system, and we've updated this page, so basically they get served for $1, we give them the 3 steps they need to start making sales, and then I've added some testimonials from some students who've already gotten results with us, that's why the sales page is actually converting so much better, is because I've added those. So it works really well. If you're not on my Builderall team, there'll be a link below this video. You can get started for $1, and if you are already in Builderall, then don't worry about that. Just click the second link and that's where you can actually buy the upgrades. I recommend getting the $97 super affiliate at least. And then if you want to do the bundle package and get 30 emails on top of that, then that's the $149. And then when I put the link in there, all you got to do is go to the members area. You'll see a video where I tell you can book a call with me. If you want to book a call with me, book a call with me, because then we can talk and then we can strategize and then I can actually show you what you need to do to start making this money. And we'll go over YouTube and go over Google and we'll go over Facebook and all the different methods that, I do every day. Like, if you get involved with me, this isn't like something that, you're just going to sit on your hands, okay? Like, I'm active all day and I'm always selling and I'm always creating new content. So that's just like this video. It's kind of like spur of the moment. Like, hey, I should really get this video done because I know somebody's going to benefit from it. And if you're an existing Builderall affiliate and you haven't seen our sales funnel yet, then you should really test it out. You can at least use the dollar trial video for free. But if you want the upsells, you got to pay that $97, which is inside the members area. That'll be the second link in the description. If you want to book a call with me and talk about it, then go ahead. That's going to be also the second link in the description. But yeah, I'm just really excited. Things are going well. The upsells are working. We're getting momentum, and can't wait to see how much further we can take it and what we can do for all the affiliates. So yeah, with that, this has been AJ. I will talk to you soon.
Sounds too good to be true, right? How could this even be possible?